Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Delta Lake for reliable Upserts in Databricks, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Delta Lake for reliable Upserts in Databricks, start by launching your Databricks workspace. Create a new notebook by navigating to the workspace and clicking on the Create button. Select Notebook from the drop-down menu. Name your notebook appropriately, for example, Delta Lake Upsert Guide. Choose Python as the default language for your notebook. First, ensure that you have the Delta Lake library installed. You can check if it is installed by running a command in a cell like spark.sql, show tables. Next, set up your Spark session to work with Delta Lake. Import the necessary libraries by adding the following code in a new cell: Python from pyspark.sql, import Spark session from delta.tables, import delta. Use the following code snippet: Python Spark equals Spark session.builder \appname Delta Lake Upsert \. You can create a simple data frame using the following code: Python data equals 1 John, 2 Alice, 3 Bob, columns equals ID name df equals spark. Use the following command to write it as a delta table: Python df.write.format delta.mode overwrite.save /delta/users. You can now load the delta table for updates using Python delta table equals delta table.forPath spark /delta/users. Prepare a new data frame with updated and new records for the Upsert. For example, create a data frame with both updates and new entries. Python new_data equals 1 John Doe, 4 David, new_columns equals ID name new_df equals spark.create data frame new_data new_columns. Next, perform the Upsert using the Delta Lake merge functionality. Use the following code snippet to execute the merge: Python deltatable.alias old data \merge new_df.alias new data old data.id equals new data.id \when matched update set equals name new data.name \. Finally, you can optimize the delta table for better performance. Execute the following command to compact the files: Python spark.sql, optimize delta/users. Your Delta Lake setup with reliable Upsert capabilities is now fully functional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.